Welcome everyone. You ready to kick some ass and finally get rid of that stubborn belly fat? Listen up, because in the next 30 days we're going to work together to completely transform your body. We're talking about torching fat, building lean muscle, and getting you feeling absolutely incredible. Let's be real, it's not going to be a walk in the park. This is going to take dedication, discipline, and a whole lot of sweat. But I'm here to tell you right now, you are absolutely capable of achieving this. You have the power within you to change your body, your health, and your entire life. So are you ready to commit? Are you ready to push yourself harder than you ever have before? Are you ready to finally see the results you deserve? Let's do this.
All right, let's cut to the chase. You want to lose belly fat? You got to fix that diet. No more sugar-laden processed crap. We're cleaning things up, people. First things first, you need to understand the concept of a calorie deficit. It's simple math. Consume fewer calories than you burn. Period.
Now, don't even think about starving yourself. That's not what we're about. We're talking about smart choices, nutrient-dense foods that fuel your body for workouts and recovery. Think lean protein, chicken, fish, turkey, beans, lentils. These are your building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Next up, fiber. Fruits, veggies, whole grains. These keep you feeling full and satisfied, so you're less likely to reach for the junk. And for the love of all that is healthy, drink your water. Hydration is key for everything from digestion to energy levels. Aim for at least half your body weight in ounces every single day. No excuses.
Now it's time to move that body. Exercise is non-negotiable if you want to see serious results. We're talking about a combination of cardio and strength training to torch calories and sculpt those muscles. Cardio is your best friend when it comes to burning fat. Think high-intensity interval training, running, swimming, biking, anything that gets your heart rate up and your body sweating. Don't be afraid to push yourself. But don't underestimate the power of strength training. Lifting weights builds lean muscle mass, which increases your metabolism and helps you burn more calories even at rest. Plus, it sculpts those curves and gives you that toned, defined look. And of course, we can't forget about those abs. Crunches, planks, leg raises, target that core and work towards that six-pack you've always dreamed of. Remember, consistency is key.
Listen up, because this is crucial. Sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's essential for muscle recovery, hormone regulation, and yes, even fat loss. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased belly fat storage. Not cool. Plus, lack of sleep messes with your metabolism and increases cravings for sugary, fatty foods. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every single night. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, dark, quiet, and cool. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, ditch the electronics at least an hour before bed, and give your body the rest it deserves.
Listen, I get it, life is stressful, but you know what's even more stressful? Holding on to that extra belly fat. Stress wreaks havoc on your body in more ways than one. And yes, it can sabotage your weight loss efforts. When you're stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, that nasty hormone that loves to store fat, especially around your midsection. Not exactly the look we're going for, right? So, what can you do? Find healthy ways to manage stress. Meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, spending time in nature, listening to music, whatever helps you unwind and de-stress. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Let me be clear, supplements are not a magic solution. They are exactly that. Supplements meant to complement a healthy diet and exercise program, not replace them. That being said, there are a few supplements that can be helpful in your fat loss journey. Protein shakes can be a convenient way to up your protein intake, especially if you're struggling to meet your needs through food alone. Fish oil is another good one. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and promote fat burning. But remember, always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Alright, let's talk about something super important. Staying motivated and on track. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be days when you want to quit, when you feel like you're not seeing results fast enough, but you gotta push through those moments. One of the best ways to stay motivated is to track your progress. Keep a food journal, log your workouts, take progress photos. Seeing how far you've come is incredibly motivating, and be realistic with your goals. You're not going to lose 20 pounds of belly fat overnight. Aim for 1 to 2 pounds of fat loss per week. It's a healthy, sustainable rate that will get you lasting results. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, but the key is to never give up on yourself. You've got this. You did it. You now have the knowledge and the tools to transform your body in the next 30 days. Remember, it takes dedication, consistency, and a whole lot of hard work. But I know you have it in you. You are strong, you are capable, and you deserve to achieve your goals. Stick to the plan, push yourself to your limits, and I promise you, you will see incredible results. Now go out there and make it happen. I believe in you.